Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop anything, guys, you'll be notified. Today, guys, I'm Father Christmas, guys. I'm Father Christmas today. I'm not alone. I'm just delivering present left, right, center, guys. I'm with Swift Beyond Innovation, guys. It's a petrol station. If it's your first time hearing about Swift, guys, it's a petrol station where you get your quality, high quality petrol, guys, and a diesel. So please guys, if you are around Sebokeng, you are lucky. If you are around Sebokeng, you are lucky because this October guys, they're giving away Suzuki Swift in Sebokeng, guys. Make sure you fill your car with 800 rand or more. Fill your car with 800 rand and more and stand a chance to enter the draw, guys. So this is what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna read you guys the terms and the conditions of winning yourself Swift, guys. So it's only open for South African citizen. So it's only open for South African citizen. You have to have your ID. You have to have a valid driver's license, guys. So staff, if you are working for Swift and you are working for Suzuki, you are excluded. So it's only for us, people like us who wants to enter the draw. So we are more than welcome. You have to be 18 years and older. You have to be 18 plus, guys. 18 years and older. You have to have your driver's license. You have to have your ID just to enter, right? So secondly, guys, each and every 800 rand fuel you stand one chance to get yourself or to win yourself a Suzuki Swift. So the more you go back to Sebokeng or any part, especially the one in Sebokeng, guys, especially the one in Sebokeng, because this coming draw is happening in Sebokeng, guys. So drive, go there. If you're in Soweto, please drive, go to Sebokeng, fill your car with 800 rand or more, guys. Stand your chance to win this thing, guys. Much as you're spending 800 and more, you stand your chance to win Suzuki Swift, guys. So a winner will be called on the day of the draw. So you on the 4th of October, they're gonna call you. You have to be there, guys. If you are not there 30 minutes and beyond, guys, they're gonna reshuffle the draw. If they're gonna call your name, guys, and you don't show up, guys, they have to reshuffle. They have to pick someone who's present, because we don't have time, guys. We're giving away cars here, so you have to be in time, guys. Okay, guys, so a price is one car. We are not sending you money. We are not doing anything like that. There's no transfer of money or cash, guys. So you are winning yourself a brand new Suzuki for your entries, right? So guys, as much as I said, guys, you are winning yourself a Suzuki Swift. You are not winning money, but a car. But you have to maintain your car. So the maintenance is on you, the insurance is on you. Please know these, guys. So the car will be collected in 30 days. So in 30 days, you'll collect your car, but you're gonna maintain your own car and then try to get an insurance, which is very important for you when you're having a car. Moving right along. So a draw is fair and random. You know, we are not sitting down and trying to search which popular name is in the draw and whatnot. So the draw is fair and random, guys. So the draw, guys, didn't start as the video drops, guys. It started on the 6th of August. So there's a draw that have already happened. There's somebody's already won their Suzuki Swift, as you can see, guys, here. Please don't miss this chance, guys. Don't miss this chance. It's happening in Sebokeng. If you're around Sebokeng and you are lucky, go there, get your Suzuki Swift. So shout out to Swift Beyond Innovation, guys. If you go there using your fleet card, guys, like for the company that you're working for, they will need a declaration letter from your company that like so and so is using our company card and we allow it to happen. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So if you are using your fleet card, they will need a letter from your company. So guys, shout out to Swift Beyond Innovation, guys. This is big, this is massive, guys. Please don't miss this chance to win yourself a Suzuki car, guys. So please guys, don't play yourself. Make sure you get that Suzuki Swift, guys. Please make sure you enter as many times as you can, because it's gonna give you a higher possibility of winning this car. So guys, I'm coming to Sebokeng as well. I will be there, guys. We're gonna be cooking. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be exciting, guys. Please make sure I see you there. Please make sure you enter. Make sure you are there, guys. Shout out to Swift Beyond Innovation for giving people a chance to own a car.